In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync your Fitbit with MyFitnessPal. Whether you want to keep track of your workouts, monitor your calorie intake, or just get a clear picture of your overall fitness, integrating these two powerful tools can make a huge difference in your fitness journey. So let's get right into it. First things first, you'll want to head over to the MyFitnessPal website. Open your preferred web browser and type in www.myfitnesspal.com. This will take you to the MyFitnessPal homepage, where you'll find a range of robust features that make tracking your fitness goals much easier. If you already have a MyFitnessPal account, go ahead and log in. If not, you'll need to sign up and create an account. Creating an account is straightforward, requiring just a few simple details to get going. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard screen. Now direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll see a menu labeled as APS. Click on APS, and this will show you a variety of applications that can integrate with MyFitnessPal, offering ways to enhance and simplify your fitness experience. Next, in the list of categories, you'll want to look for step trackers. Click on the step trackers option to explore compatible devices that can sync with MyFitnessPal. This is an essential step as we focus on pairing your Fitbit with MyFitnessPal today. Here, you'll see a list of step tracking applications, and if you've ever used Fitbit on MyFitnessPal before, it will appear already installed. If not, locate Fitbit on the list and proceed by clicking on the Get button. This action will initiate the connection process and redirect you to a Fitbit login page. Once redirected, sign in using your Fitbit account credentials. It's important to ensure that you enter your correct username and password here to proceed without any hiccups. After you've logged in, Fitbit will ask for permission to allow MyFitnessPal access to your Fitbit data. Make sure you grant these permissions to ensure seamless data sharing between the two platforms. When you're back at MyFitnessPal, look for the Steps menu. Click on it and you'll find options to choose a step tracking device. From this list, select Fitbit. This selection will directly link your Fitbit as your step tracking device, updating your MyFitnessPal account with the latest activity data straight from your Fitbit. Once your Fitbit is successfully linked, it'll show up under your connected apps on MyFitnessPal. You can now enjoy real-time syncing, ensuring your fitness activities are thoroughly tracked, helping you stay on top of your fitness goals. Happy tracking!